So I was asked to do an eye look without cutting my crease. So I did this and I'm gonna show you how I did it. I used this palette. Now I'm going in with this brush and I'm taking the shade right here. And I am going to focus it on the inner part of my eye, up on the crease, and at the end of my eye. Next, we are going to get this shade here and we are going to place it over the shadow we just put. And to effortlessly blend it, we're going in with the yellow just to blend it out together on the top. And don't be afraid to use your finger to blend out anything that's kind of hard to blend out with a brush. Just like this. Now I'm going in with this concealer. This is from Dose of Colors. I'm putting some on my hand and I'm just going to dab it, and this doesn't have to be perfect. At the ends, just kind of blend it out like this. We are now going in with this yellow shade. Just apply it where we put the concealer at. And now you can leave it matte like this, or what I did was I put some loose highlighter. This is Vegas from ABH, and I applied it right over the yellow eyeshadow. I also sprayed my brush to get it to sparkle a little bit more over it. I'm gonna mix these two colors a little bit just to gently pat it right here and right here to blend everything nicely. And I'm just gonna brush it over a little bit here as well. Now you can just leave it like this, but I love glitter. I love glitter, it's my thing. Just sprinkling some glitter on top. And this is from the Makeup Shack. Now time to apply Goddess from Anything Beauty with my favorite lash glue. Now I'm gonna go in with white eyeliner. This is from LA Girl. And for the under eye, we're doing this one first and then buffing out with this one. Mascara and Vegas loose highlighter from ABH for inner corner. And there you go, my friends, an eye look without a cut crease.